Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let me show you how you can delete WordPress website from Hostinger. First, let's open your Hostinger account. Then from here, navigate to your hosting. As you can see, I already have it as a widget on my dashboard. So just click on Manage over here. On your hosting dashboard, hover to the left side menu and go to Websites. Then click on Auto Installer. On the top of the page, you can see all your installed applications. You should see your WordPress over here. Click the three dots next to the domain, and then click on the delete button over here. Then this delete application prompt will show up. Just check on delete application, delete installation files or database if you want, and hit delete, and you're good to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.